Welcome to the ProtoArt. Be sure to like and subscribe for new content.
What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the ProtoArt. So here's a very quick tutorial on how to turn a disposable brush pen like this into a water brush pen like this. So I had one that ran out of ink, and normally what you would do is just, buy a new cartridge and replace that. You unscrew it off, buy a new cartridge. But I wondered, how could you use this for a water brush pen? It's a lot more easy than I thought. All you're doing is with a pair of needle nose pliers, or if you have a vice grip or something like that where you can just get a good grip on the end, you're removing the rubber seal at the end here. And with that off, all there really is left is the inner components, which would be a chamber that holds all your ink. So it kind of looks like this. Get this in focus. So normally this would be, all white or all black, depending on what kind of color ink you have. So you can toss this out. We don't need that anymore. That's junk. So, and there's one little BB that's at the bottom of this. So when you're mixing basically all it does is keep your ink mixed when it's in this. But you remove all these inner components, clean everything out, wash it out thoroughly, and now this is good to go, just as is. So you just fill it up with water, screw the top back on, and now you have a brand new water brush pen. So, like I said, you can save a few bucks if you have extra ones that may have ran out, like a disposable one, and you wanted to have a water brush pen. Now you can easily. Alright, you guys, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away. I mean, these are fairly cheap anyway in stores, but like I said, I had one that ran out, and I wanted the extra water brush pen, so now I have one. Anyway, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on brand new videos. Alright, this is the ProtoArt. Talk to you guys soon.